Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 6. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 6. We are approaching the end of our series, but don't worry guys, the good parts are still going to come up very soon. Firstly, we started off with a very basic stuff. If you don't know what is this video series, this is a video series where I'm going to go on a very deep insight on how you can actually make $100 per day with YouTube, and I'm going to talk about all these steps in depth guys. So it's like a 10 video series where I actually started out with the first part, which is the introduction. The second part would be how to create your YouTube channel, and then the third part I talk about how to customize your own YouTube channel, and then the fourth part I taught you on how you can actually choose the network, choose best affiliate network, choose best offers from that particular affiliate network, how to communicate with your affiliate manager, all those stuff. And yesterday the part 5 video was very beneficial. I think I talked about the tools and the software that you can actually use to make an awesome YouTube video. I talked about both hardware as well as the softwares that you can actually use. So as you can see over here, you might be thinking all these are basic stuff. Definitely it's basic stuff guys, but we are going in depth of different stuffs as well. So we're gonna go on creative angles in today's video. We're gonna talk about the creative angles that we're gonna see. We're gonna approach our YouTube, how you're gonna start your YouTube channel. So we're gonna approach different creative angles, and like I say in all my videos, whatever that I actually tell you in this video, you're not limited to that particular thing. There's a lot of other stuff that you can actually do as well, but this is just like from my experience, whichever that I feel which is very important, whichever that I feel which is very powerful, that's what I deliver in today's in all the videos. But like I tell in all the videos, you're not limited to whatever I say. There's the what we say, there's a quote saying that known is a drop, unknown is an ocean. So there's a lot of stuff that I might not know as well, but you can actually go ahead and check out for yourself. But these are the stuff that I think which is very crucial. And then you see tomorrow's video, we're going to talk about the best practices in YouTube, which is very important. And then we're going to talk about how to promote your YouTube channel. Then we're going to talk about monetization, and then we're going to talk about the bonus and secret tricks. So the best parts are coming up very soon, so stay tuned for all those upcoming awesome parts guys. And like I told you, today's video it's going to be about the creative angles. When it comes to YouTube, creative is like the horizon. There's no limit for your creativity guys. You can actually show all your creativity in YouTube. It all depends on you. Everybody have their own perspective, everybody have their own creativity on how they want to approach their YouTube channel. A lot of people like PewDiePie, for example. PewDiePie is like the #1 solo YouTuber, and PewDiePie, for example, he does something which is very common, but then he does it in his own style, which means he applies a very common creative angle, but then he personalized that to become his own pattern and own style. And that is one of the best ways, and that's the way that I always will recommend you, right? When I teach something, I will actually tell you that okay, you go ahead and do all this stuff, but then whatever that I teach you, grab it for yourself, and then you personalize it, you customize it for your own beauty, because whatever that works for me might not work for you. So whenever you got the knowledge, you got the base knowledge, you can actually build your own customized building on top of it. That's what I would highly appreciate you to do, and that's what I highly want you to do. And that's what PewDiePie did as well. So all the big YouTubers, they have their own creative angle on how to do stuff. So we're gonna take a look at my personal five basic creative angles that you can actually approach your YouTube channel with, and then with this creative angle you can actually make it a little bit personalized, just like how PewDiePie did. And that's the best way to do it. And also I'm going to give you a bonus method, so it's going to be like six top best creative angles that I feel which is very effective when it comes to YouTube. So the first one we are going to talk about is a video something like this. We're going to talk about Handy Affle. So I'm a follower of Handy Affle. I like his video. So this is the type of video that he does. As you can see, there's a screen and then there's his picture over here. So he talks while he show you what is happening in his screen. It's exactly the same way I'm doing it as well. I'm talking right here and then you can actually see the screen of Handy Affle as well. So this is called the screen recording method. This is like one of the most popular method when it comes to YouTube creative angles. Even PewDiePie does this method. He has a screen recording of his gaming and everything, and then his face is there and then he records the whole thing. So that's how it works. The thing is, what makes you different from all those people? What makes me different from all those people? It might be my talking style, it might be my body language, it might be the creative angle I approach. I also seen a guy who actually does a screen recording with his mask on, and then I'm also gonna show you this one over here. Let me just show you this channel over here. Just give me a minute, guys. It's my own channel where I do screen recording with animation. So you can see over here, can you see the animation over here? So I do a screen recording like this with animations over here. So it totally depends on you how you want to approach this particular method. So like I told you, it's fully depending on your creativity, but this is the basic style on how it works. So it's a screen recording method. You can actually stand out from the crowd by customizing this for your own, with your own style, with your own characteristics, with whatever that you can do. Maybe you want to wear mask with it. I've even seen a YouTuber which was like shirtless. Then he became very popular because of that. He's from Brazil, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot his channel, but I've seen him, right? So it totally depends on your creativity. But to do this, I've actually explained in yesterday's video. If you go and see how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 5, I've actually shown you a tool that you can actually use to screen record, which is the OBS Studio, which is free to use, which is one of the best screen recording, free to use screen recording screen recording software. There's also paid version of other softwares like Cam Studio. Forgot the name, guys. So they are a paid version as well. So there's a lot of other paid version of screen recorders as well. I feel like OBS is enough because I'm using OBS myself. But if you want to use paid version, which definitely will have a higher featuring, right? So definitely you can go ahead and approach the paid version. So that is the first method, which is the screen recording. Second method that we're gonna talk is only voice. So this guy over here, maybe you can't hear his voice, is called the Gallagher. I follow him as well. So he teaches you on how you can actually grow up your channel in YouTube as well. So this guy over here, he doesn't show his face, but he literally shows only screen recording, and he used something like OBS as well. I'm not sure whether he used OBS or Camtasia or something like that. Let's see whether no, he never see anything over here. So literally he only screen records without showing his face. So it's going to be screen recording only by vocal voice, which is also a method that you can approach. So it's the same basic of screen recording which you can use by OBS, but then this guy personalize it a little bit and make it like he don't want to show his face. So this applies to a lot of people who is actually shy, who actually feel a little bit bad to show their face, who's actually nervous to show their face in front of camera, is nervous to talk in front of camera. Then definitely this is something that you can use. You can actually go ahead and just screen record and use voice. So there's a pros and cons of all this. The pros is usually that you can be very comfortable. You don't need even to wear a nice shirt. You don't need to be presentable in front of the video. You can, because you're only using your voice. But then the con is that without a video of person talking to you, looking at you, you will lose a little bit of personal touch, which is very sad. So that is the pros and the cons. So this is one of the methods that you can use as well. So the next one that you can actually use is by green screen and VFX. This is a little bit advanced technique which requires you to actually not only use this is something that you can't use screen recording. I'm going to show you an example. Can you see? This is a channel that I like, which is called the Slide Beam, which I also follow. So this guy name is Kaya. So he actually teaches you on how you can actually start a business and stuff like that. So if you look at his video, you can see that he's talking, and behind him there's a lot of animation going around. Can you see all this animation? So this animation is actually done by VFX, by their own designer, and somebody else is actually video shooting him. So it does not work like a screen recording where you actually video shoot yourself with webcam. Somebody is actually video shooting him. So they have a videographer, and then they have a guy who's who can actually do all this kind of VFX, and then they have a presenter, which is Kaya himself. So they have a lot of things. So this kind of approach actually requires you to have a team where you can actually screen record. You can actually record you. You need a videographer who can actually record you. You need somebody to do VFX. Even though you never do VFX, you need somebody to actually video record you. So this is also a creative angle that you can actually approach, but this one requires you to have a larger team, and it requires you to have a larger time as well, but it works. It looks pretty neat. Slide Beam's videos are very popular. This channel is growing like crazy. This business, Slide Beam, is actually a startup. It used to be a startup, now it's a big company where they actually they are like an alternative to PowerPoint, and they are doing very well only by YouTube. So this thing actually works a lot. So the next approach that we're going to talk about is 24-hour streaming. As you can see over here, this channel is called the Silk Music, where they actually stream music for 24/7. You might be thinking this thing is like so complicated, how I'm going to stream stuff for 24/7. It's not that hard actually, guys. You can actually go Google and you can talk about Bubble, if I'm not mistaken, Bubble VPS. I'm not sure about the name. Yeah, Obubble is a VPS server. Obubble.com. You can actually go to obubble.com and you can actually go ahead and check out their server. They have like a membership, all this kind of stuff. You can actually go ahead and check out one of the membership, and they can actually offer you a one server, 99% server uptime, stream at 1080 pixel. So as you can see over here, if you purchase a VPS from Obubble, you can actually continuously stream. You can actually create your own 24/7 channel, and the Obubble will do all the integration for you. They are very user friendly. You can actually contact their support once they purchase their plan. They will actually guide you A to Z on how to do it, so you can actually create your own 24/7 channel. But make sure when you're creating a channel of your own 24 hours channel, especially when you're creating related to music, beware of copyright issues. Like this guy over here, I think they are very prone with their copyright issues. So make sure that you know that you don't steal any work from any artist or anything like that. Don't make your life miserable. Don't have a copyright strike on your channel. It's very dangerous. So this is one of the approach that you can actually do, and this is the last approach that we're going to talk about. Actually, the second last approach that we're going to talk about. This is also one of my favorite approach. This is something like reviewing. So this channel is called the Unbox Therapy, where he actually unbox a lot of stuff. Usually he'll unbox tools, phones, computer, and everything. Today he's unboxing Razer Blade, the new Razer Blade laptop. So as you can see, this works like crazy, guys. Unboxing, if you go Google and if you go YouTube and you actually press unboxing is one of the best method that you can actually bring up your channel. It works like crazy. People love unboxing. So unboxing is one of the techniques that you can actually go ahead and test out. Before you test out any techniques, guys, make sure you go ahead and check out different channel which does that, and then you will have a rough idea how they actually customize all this stuff according to their personal style. So you will have an idea on how you can actually customize all these for your personal style as well. So to do this, you need usually you'll be needing somebody to record a videographer. Sometimes you can also use like a stand or something. I've seen that kind of channel also, that which use a stand where they place the camera already, and then you don't move, you have the whole view of the camera, and then you can just go ahead and talk about and do everything for yourself. So you can also do that. So all this only requires a little amount of effort. And the last one we're going to talk about is this channel over here. It's called the Whiskers, and they are very popular when it comes to TikTok memes. And what this channel does is this channel actually upload compilation videos, which is very old trick in YouTube. A lot of people against compilation video, so that's why I wanted to put this as a bonus method, a bonus creative angle that you can actually approach. But it still works. A lot of people love compilation videos, even though they say that YouTube is strict with compilation videos and all those stuff. I don't know, guys, but these guys are still doing it. Definitely they're not gonna do it if YouTube was strict. YouTube is gonna ban their account and stuff like that. They're not gonna do compilation video, right? So these guys are still doing compilation video, and look at that, 34 views, and he just released this yesterday, and he have like almost 400,000 subscribers. So compilation videos does work. So this kind of compilation videos is something that you can do as well. So this take a little bit time, where you can go ahead and research from TikTok or any other social media, and then you take those video and you do a compilation video using video editor like the one that I showed you yesterday. Shortcut, you can also use all these video editors and do this kind of stuff. So these are the creative angles that I personally feel that you can actually approach. Most of the creative angles that I show you requires a very little amount of investment, usually only webcam as well as sound recorder microphone. Other than that, you will only be needing free softwares like OBS or Shortcut, unless other than this one with Slidebeam, which is a little bit advanced, where you need a videographer, you need a VFX editor. Maybe you do it in Adobe After Effects or Sony Vegas. It's totally up to you. So this is a little bit advanced. Other than that, everything is like very simple to do. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's not hard as well. So you can go ahead and try it. Like I tell you in the beginning of this video, these are the basic steps that I feel which is very important, and from these basic steps you can actually go ahead and customize it according to your style, and that is where you will rock in your YouTube channel. If you do that, don't just follow them exactly, take them as an example and customize it according to your style. That is how it works in YouTube. People like it to be genuine, people like it to be very specific, people like to see you because they like you. So keep in mind that they don't like to watch you because they like Arnold Schwarzenegger, for example, or they like Sylvester Stallone, for example, and they suddenly come and watch you. It does not make sense, right? They want to watch you because they like you. So do it with your personal style, do it with your personal energy. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and like I always say in all the videos, whatever I tell you, you are not limited to that thing alone. You can actually go ahead and check out all the other stuff in Google, YouTube as well. You will get a different idea. Whatever that I tell you is the thing that I feel which is very important. If you have any question regarding today's video, please drop us a comment below. This is the part that you can actually go ahead and drop your comment, and we will get to your comment ASAP.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.